Sometimes the question is raised by people who own companies or factories or different type of service companies, if they employ people with H-1B visas, whether they should be concerned about legal compliance. The simple question is yes. If someone came to work in this country on what's called a work visa, then there are certain compliance issues that the company should be undertaking to make sure that the company is in compliance. It's perfectly legal to employ people under work visas and even student visas, provided that all of the requirements are met. Sometimes these individuals overstay their visas. Different things happen, which could fall into the gray area where someone could later say that crimes were being committed and the company was a part of that. So certainly, if you have employees who work here under different type work visas and they're from other countries, then it's an issue that you should take very seriously. And even if there are no problems, start reaching out to make sure that you're in compliance with the law so that if an investigation starts, you and your business will be safe and protected.